Healthcare services to transgender persons. The National Health Authority and the Department of Social Justice and Empowerment recently signed a Memorandum of Understanding for providing holistic health services to transgender persons under Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. After this agreement, the holder of the transgender certificate issued by the National Portal for Transgender Persons across the country will get the benefit of all health facilities. All the impaneled hospitals of PMJAY will provide free treatment to transgenders where special packages will be available. Under PMJAY, every eligible person gets a health insurance cover of up to 5 lakh rupees every year. Apart from this, special packages are also being prepared for the transgender category, which will also include special packages like gender reassignment surgery, SRS, and treatment for transgenders. The Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana is a component of the umbrella health scheme, Ayushman